Ever wondered if your feline friend is feeling under the weather? While cats are wonderfully enigmatic creatures, this can sometimes make it difficult to recognize when they're seriously unwell. The signs that your cat needs urgent veterinary attention can be subtle and easy to miss. Yet understanding these signals is essential to ensuring their health and happiness. So how do you know when it's more than just a bad day for your beloved pet? Keep watching to learn about the crucial signs that your cat urgently needs a vet. First off, let's talk about your kitty's eating and drinking habits. It's normal for these to fluctuate a little from day to day. However, if you notice a significant increase or decrease in your cat's food or water intake, it might be time to take notice. When we say significant, we're talking about a change that lasts for several days or more. Maybe your feline friend has suddenly turned into a voracious eater, or perhaps they've started shunning their favorite treats. On the flip side, they might be gulping down water like they've been in the desert for a week. These are all signs that something could be amiss. Now, you might be wondering, what could be the problem? Well, there are a few potential issues. An increased appetite could be a sign of conditions like hyperthyroidism or diabetes, while a decreased appetite might suggest anything from dental problems to cancer. As for drinking, if your cat has suddenly become exceedingly thirsty, it could be an indicator of diabetes or kidney disease, both of which are serious conditions that require immediate veterinary attention. On the other hand, if your cat is drinking less than usual, it could signal a risk of dehydration, which can lead to other health problems. So remember, extreme changes in eating or drinking habits could mean it's time to visit the vet. Moving on to the second sign, changes in behavior. Let's delve into this. Cats, just like us humans, have their own unique personalities and behaviors. As cat lovers, we've spent countless hours observing our feline friends, learning their quirks and understanding their typical demeanor. Now, imagine you've got a usually chill cat who loves nothing more than a good nap in the sun. But all of a sudden, this cat starts becoming unusually aggressive. Or perhaps the other way around. An energetic cat seems to be slowing down, showing signs of unusual lethargy. These sudden, dramatic shifts in behavior can be alarming and might indicate that something is not quite right in your cat's world. It might be physical discomfort, illness, or even emotional distress. Yes, cats can get stressed too. It's crucial to be aware of these changes as they can be the first signs that your furry friend needs help. Remember, you know your cat best. You know when they are just being their moody selves or when something is genuinely off. So, trust your instincts. If you notice any drastic changes in your cat's behavior, don't hesitate to consult a veterinarian immediately. Your prompt action could make a world of difference for your cat's health and happiness. If your normally playful cat suddenly becomes lethargic, it might be time to get them checked out. Next up, we have changes in litter box use. In the world of felines, the litter box is more than just a restroom. It's a treasure trove of clues about your cat's health. Let's delve into what to keep an eye out for. Firstly, pay attention to the frequency of your cat's visits to the litter box. If your cat is going more or less frequently than usual, it could be a sign of a health issue. Increased frequency might indicate a urinary tract infection, while decreased frequency could be a sign of constipation or other digestive issues. Next, take note of the consistency of your cat's waste. Any drastic changes, such as loose stools or overly hard feces, can indicate digestive problems. Loose stools might indicate an upset stomach, while hard feces could be a sign of dehydration or a low-fiber diet. The color of your cat's waste can also provide important health clues. For instance, unusually dark or light-colored feces might indicate a problem with the liver, pancreas, or gallbladder. Lastly, if your cat is avoiding the litter box altogether, this could be a sign of discomfort. This could be due to a medical issue, such as a urinary tract infection or a behavioral problem, like stress or anxiety. In conclusion, the litter box is a valuable tool in monitoring your cat's health. So, don't overlook it. Keep an eye on the litter box. It can tell you a lot about your cat's health. Now, let's discuss visible physical changes. Cats are masters of disguise, especially when it comes to masking pain or discomfort. This is why it's crucial to keep an eye out for any visible physical changes. These might include significant weight loss or gain, changes in eye color, or the sudden appearance of lumps or bumps. Weight fluctuations in cats are not something to brush off lightly. A sudden drop in weight could indicate issues such as diabetes, thyroid problems, or even cancer. On the other hand, rapid weight gain could be a sign of overeating due to stress, or could indicate a more serious condition like heart disease. Changes in your cat's eye color should also ring alarm bells. A healthy cat's eyes should be clear and bright. Any cloudiness, discoloration, or change in eye color could be a sign of an underlying health issue, like an infection, cataract, or high blood pressure. Similarly, the sudden appearance of lumps or bumps on your cat's body is another thing to look out for. While not all lumps are cancerous, it's always safer to have them checked out. This is where the importance of regular petting comes in. Petting isn't just a way to show love and bonding with your feline friend, but it's also an excellent opportunity to feel for any physical changes. When you're stroking your cat, take the time to gently feel their body. If you notice any unusual lumps, bumps, or areas of sensitivity, it's time to book an appointment with your vet. But remember, these are just guidelines. Every cat is unique, and what's normal for one might not be for another. Always trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Visible physical changes are often a clear sign that it's time to take your cat to the vet. Don't ignore these signs. Early detection is key to helping your cat live a long, healthy life. Last but not least, let's talk about grooming. It's no secret that cats are naturally clean animals. They spend a significant portion of their day preening and primping, ensuring that every strand of fur is in place. So, when you notice a sudden shift in this behavior, it's time to pay attention. Excessive grooming, for instance, can be a sign of various health issues. It could indicate that your feline friend is stressed or anxious. Perhaps they're trying to soothe themselves, much like how some people bite their nails when nervous. Excessive grooming could also mean your cat is dealing with parasites like fleas or skin conditions that cause itching and discomfort. On the flip side, if your usually fastidious feline starts neglecting their grooming, that's another cause for concern. A lack of grooming can be a sign of physical pain. Maybe they have dental problems that make it painful to clean themselves, or perhaps arthritis is making it difficult to reach certain areas. Mental health issues can also lead to a decrease in grooming. Cats can experience depression and anxiety, much like humans. When they're feeling down, they may neglect their usual grooming routines. Remember, you know your cat better than anyone else. If you notice sudden changes in their grooming habits, it's a good idea to consult with a veterinarian. If your cat's grooming habits change drastically, don't ignore it. It's better to be safe than sorry. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the maze of signs that could indicate your feline companion needs immediate veterinary attention. It's a vast landscape of clues that could easily be missed if we're not careful. From abnormal eating or drinking habits to sudden changes in behavior and litter box use, these are all crucial hints that your cat may need help. Visible physical changes can also be a clear sign of distress. Whether it's a sudden loss of weight, noticeable sores, lumps, or changes in their fur, these are all indicators that something may be amiss. And let's not forget grooming habits. Cats are clean creatures by nature, so excessive grooming or a sudden lack thereof can be a telltale sign that all is not well with your furry friend. It's essential to remember that while we've covered the most common signs, this isn't an exhaustive list. There could be other indications that your cat is unwell. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, it's always best to consult with a vet. They have the knowledge and experience to understand what might be going wrong and how best to address it. Remember, when it comes to your feline friend's health, it's better to act sooner rather than later. Stay vigilant and your cat will thank you.